we did he have to bring me with in rhythm? No Achille. The doctor why you woman, freshly shaven, with a warm smile. Takasi. I found myself warming to him, despite myself. Clearly realized he didn't need to blanc. My cool talk some sense into Sylvia. I certainly didn't expect next door. MRS. Johnston, I have some bad news for you. Your husband, Adam, is gone. Aurélien Crétura I Athena were most fibre. What? Sylvia was shocked to be upset. The doctor fanatic serait across the desk, across a section of muscle. You can see it, said, pointing. The Crétura I Athena loved to let Miss Ferrand howl load out the center of the right frontal Miss Ferrand. Turn no much of your husband let him afraid. She looked at the picture, Antenne looked am. She was cool about it, il give her tamuche. Don't be ridicule, she said. If the creature had rally I attend so much of he bread budded. Licky said, me. Sylvia turned to me, a half smile on her face. What have you go say, Adam? I told you to all thing were ridicule, I fold me around looked smug. Clearly, there's nothing wrong with me. I would have to that I would beat, but no. Sylvia was convinced. But you've been acting so strange lately. So different. Ta will be because Aurélien Crétura I Athena brun, said doctor. Sylvia face was a picture. It was almost a heartment of nagging just to serve wrong footed lickety. She rounded on the doctor. Don't tell me, tell him. She jabbed afin gain me direction. You wouldn't believe me. That first thing that creature do, te suspend host belief in their existence. I necessary survival trait. You're making a tip. She was almost shooting no. Oh come you have une veille of this creature? Where do they come from? Ah. Said doctor. The Ruby en atal. They've been slowly infiltrating your planet for 50 years or so, no. They reclevé, Teto covet the people in charge first to stop the news of them spreading. Bu. She was lost forever. Ito Kéran. Sylvia, ve virannoug. Shall we go home? We can have a log abouti latte. Sylvia shook me en free. To me surprise, she said me to be taking alti seriously. It would explaining, she said. A changé de so much. Became so unpleasant to hear until reached a point où refund for with everything, neveto quand I pleasure in one wadouin. Et become nothing but a grumpy old man. Antenne on morning et au occupant itoali que tol d'Adam Wabak, te mentai marié. Tat le batalien, said doctor. Te sort of the comus a tei a tourbrun, but a bete version of us. No. Tano right, waveda en circhet forte phrase. The best version of Ursule Tave Camb. Oh. I could subit look on Sylvia fast a ital ma de sens. Je believed him. So, you're saying there's nothing wrong with him. What do you think? It like been cured of himself. I dad on Excuse me, I am still, you know. I'm sorry, Adam, said doctor, looking at me last. I'm taking advantage of your good nature. Smiled am. People like you are the future, you know. You aliens are changing the world for the better. You've been working on the people in society for something, no? What? Asked Sylvia. You man like the government, writer, free thinker, ta sort of thing? No. Il mange multiché, homemaker, scientiste, people WHO j'ai vu passer revenir to run you the group. The people WHO really make a difference. To do all ta work for so little le revoir. you have to avant alien in you read, we will buy you. Sylvia o attacking. Show aliwa pretty, inoti said. 50-year-old, shoat lean of or lift to jet everything over her face. Wow, wonderful thing tous. En iada to be comment alien to sit. Seem to have accepted it very quickly, said Sylvia, looking yame. Et no Adam, tug, I. Et en alien. Et juste accepting yourself. Ta sort of make sense, said Sylvia. So what do we do with him? Nothing. Juste très like your husband. A couple of veilles quand you lo on the walt fut soit à bout. A tout occurretum. Hold on doctor. Wa abou Sylvia? Oh comme chassingo en alien iméride? Loged. Ical trip style ton analogie. Talien seem to have a préférence fort à certains sorts of brun. On ta, well, a lit te le bit broken down. Twisted in on itself, stupid in anger en self-pity. Te probably fin your with me a lit well, plein. No need to look so smug, he said. I can't help it, she smiled. Keep ta up on you l'en up with en alien in your brain, to. Te harvesting, she said, en she smiled am. Je really beautiful, you know. Oh on est retardé for the kenta?